Do you guys want to make your cursor aesthetic like mine? Watch this video till the end. Go to this website called Cursor Set, Donuts Kawaii. Now it says not secure, but don't worry, it's 100% safe. I have been using it for many years now. You will find a ton of options here. But I ain't wasting too much time talking about the website. Let's select any set you want and download it. After downloading, it will say not safe, but don't worry, it's safe. I seriously don't understand why it says the website is unsafe. Now go to File Explorer and create a new folder. I will name it Cursor Ice Cream. Now open the cursor folder that you have just downloaded. Click Ctrl+A and select all. Now go to the new folder and paste it here. Now pin this folder in Quick Access. Now go to Control Panel and then click Mouse section. See this carefully, click Pointers. Now go to Browse. Go to the same folder and click the cursor of your choice. Now click Apply. Now you will see the cursor has changed. You can customize any type of cursor, by the way, like Text Select. Just select it and click Browse. So yeah, this is how you can customize your cursors. I love this donut cursor set. You can pick any set you like that suits your theme or vibe. You can also download it individually.